some really big breaking news at the future site of Flatrock Motorsports Park.
They have officially broken ground!
This was announced in an October article from Grassroots Motorsports, and a few days later from Flatrock's official Facebook page. Now, if you've been following my channel this year, you may have the same reaction I did. Okay. They've actually been moving dirt for about 6 months now. But they had a little ceremony and posted this nice picture. Guys, there is dirt all around you. Never mind. To get an idea of just how much has changed in the last year, check this out. Here is the site at this time last year, and here is that same area now. According to a post on Flatrock's Facebook page, they are planning to open the 3.5-mile club circuit next spring. That's this section over here. Does that mean there will be public track days at Flatrock next year? I'm not sure. Check out this post here. Depends on what they mean by limited HPDE track days at the motor club. It kind of sounds like the club track will only be open to club members? Say it ain't so, Flatrock. Another bit of info we can glean from this is that the Grand Prix track is designed for motorcycles, while the club track is not. So if you're on 2 wheels, you may have to wait for the rest of the track to be finished. So far, Flatrock has been tight-lipped on membership costs. I've tried pursuing that, but have not been able to get an actual human on the phone. I have a feeling this is one of those, if you have to ask, you can't afford it deals. After seeing what Tennessee Downs out in Middle Tennessee is wanting for their founding memberships, I'm less optimistic about being able to afford a membership at this place, but we'll see. So I've done a few videos on the construction, and in my last one I even explored the area around Flatrock. Check that out if you haven't. Now that I'm up to
81
subscribers. What do you guys want to see next? More drone footage? More features about places around Flatrock? Or maybe some coverage of other racetracks? Leave me a comment and let me know. And make sure to hit that little thumbs up thing if you enjoyed this. I make $0 from this, but it does tell YouTube to show it out to more people, I get more views, and that really boosts my ego.
It makes me so happy.
Anyway, see you next time.
Thank you for watching.